So here we are approaching another waterfall right here. So I'm sure these waterfalls have some kind of names to it, but there are too many waterfalls to keep track of because there are like waterfalls everywhere. So like I said, guys, whichever place you step in, make sure you watch your footing and then step and then move forward. You don't want to do anything stupid. And then let me go close to that waterfall and show you from close by how it looks like. Okay, here we go. And then you climb that way. Also climb this way. So guys, again, don't take any risks. The water is not too crazy cold, so I'm not gonna complain even if you fall into it. Just don't fall into the valley. That's where you don't want to be.